Hey BodyWise fam, I want you to look at this milk jug. Now, imagine 48 of these. Whoa, okay, this mountain of plastic, this is 47.5 gallons of fluid. That's roughly 180 liters. And here is the crazy part. This is exactly how much blood your kidneys filter every single day. But here is the paradox. You filter a bathtub's worth of liquid, but you only pee this much, about 1 quart. So the million-dollar question is, where do the other 47 gallons go? And more importantly, why does your body work so hard to filter it just to take it all back? Welcome to the engine room. We usually think of kidneys like a coffee filter, just a passive little strainer. But actually, this place is a high-speed chemical weapon.
Laura, calling it a coffee filter is an insult to biology. It's a jet engine. Let's look at the stats. For men, the glomerular filtration rate, or GFR, is about 125 milliliters per minute. For women, it's about 105. That means your kidneys cycle your entire blood volume 60 times every 24 hours.
60 times? That's like washing the same load of laundry 60 times a day.
Exactly. And it burns energy like crazy. Even though your kidneys are tiny, less than 0.5% of your body weight, they consume 10% of your oxygen. They are the most expensive machines you own.
Okay, Dr. Mark, why do we do this? Why filter 47 gallons just to reabsorb a quart of them? That seems inefficient.
It's because of where we came from. This is the Smith theory. Eons ago, our ancestors were freshwater fish. Because their bodies were salty and the water outside was fresh, water was constantly flooding into them through osmosis. If they didn't pump water out fast, they would explode. So they evolved a high-pressure pumping system, the glomerulus, to dump water as fast as possible. But when we moved to land, the problem flipped. We needed to save water. But evolution doesn't just delete organs. We kept the high-flow engine, but added a new part to the factory, a machine to recycle the water back into the blood.
So it's a strategy. We flush the system to keep it clean?
Think of your blood like a polluted river. You have 2 ways to clean it. Option A, you walk along the bank and pick out trash piece by piece. That's slow. You might miss the small toxins. Option B, you divert the entire river through a treatment plant. You strip everything out. Water, fish, trash, gold. Then, you rapidly put the clean water and fish back and burn the trash. That is what the kidney does.
But Dr. Mark, 47 gallons? That's a fire hose. Why can't the kidney just filter slowly? Wouldn't that save energy?
If we slowed down, you'd be poisoned. And here's why. It's called solvent drag. Think about the toxins in your blood. Small stuff like urea floats out easily, but there are larger, heavier poisons. We call them middle molecules. They are sticky. They don't want to leave. To get rid of them, you need a torrent. You need the sheer force of 47 gallons of water rushing through to physically drag those heavy toxins out. That high speed isn't waste. It's a scrubbing brush.
Dr. Mark, what is that? It looks like it's tasting the water.
That is the Macula densa. It is tasting it. It's your kidney's quality control sensor. It constantly tastes the salt level in the fluid. If the salt is too high, it means the filter is running too fast. The workers can't keep up. So, the Macula densa sends a signal to clamp the blood pipe instantly.
We are going deeper now. This looks salty.
This is the Loop of Henle. This is where your body creates a salt gradient so powerful it can suck water out of urine against nature's will. And here's the boss, ADH, or antidiuretic hormone. When you are dehydrated, your brain sends ADH to the kidney. It opens special doors called aquaporins. Water rushes out of the yellow urine stream and back into the red bloodstream.
So, let me get the scale right. We filter 47 gallons. That's like filling the gas tank of 3 mid-sized sedans every day?
Correct. And thanks to ADH, we reclaim 99% of it. We only pee out the final 1 to 2 liters that contain the concentrated urea and toxins. That 1 quart is the price of doing business. Laura, the best way to appreciate this 47 gallons paradox is to look at what happens when it fails. Patients on dialysis can only clean about 10 to 15% of what a healthy kidney does.
Wow. So being able to drink a glass of water and pee it out is actually a luxury?
It is. Your kidneys are working harder than your heart, chemically speaking. They are the unsung heroes keeping your internal ocean clean.
So next time you take a bathroom break, remember, you just completed the most advanced recycling program in the universe. Don't make them work dry. Drink your water. If you want to know more about how your body works, welcome to the club. Hit that subscribe button and join the BodyWise family. We'll see you in the next deep dive.